everyone, good morning, welcome back. Today we are going to start with our English Bal Bharati workbook writing. What we are going to start with? We are going to start writing workbook. Everyone is having yellow color workbook at home. Those who have such type of workbooks now, everyone might have got. सगळ्यांना मिळालेले असतील workbooks तुमच्या stationery ज्यावेळेस घेतली त्यावेळेस. You have to remove this workbook and page number 5 we are going to complete today first poem of workbook writing. Okay, the name of our first poem is what? A Pretty Game. What is name of our first poem? A Pretty Game. Now your first question is given. What it is? Question number 1. What were the sun and rain doing? What were they doing? The sun and rain were playing hide and seek. What is answer? First answer is the sun and rain. The sun and rain were playing hide and seek. What they were playing? They were playing hide and seek. Can you see my handwriting? It is visible? Yes, very good. Now next second sentence question which is given in the workbook is, what did they say when they meet each other? When they met each other, they said, what did they say? They were playing hide and seek. Rain used to, when it used to rain, that time clouds used to come front of sun, and then sun was getting disappeared. Then again when rain used to stop, then again clouds were going out, and then there was sunlight. In this way they were playing hide and seek. And when they met each other, when they came together and they met each other, what did they say to each other? They said goodbye to each other. So second answer is when they meet each other, when they met each other, when they met each other, they said goodbye. What they said? They said goodbye. This is our second answer. Now the third question which is given in the book is, what happened when the sun and the rain said goodbye? At this moment, a beautiful rainbow came in the sky. Correct? As soon as rain and sun said goodbye to each other, what happened? There was a beautiful rainbow appearing in the sky. Then what is our third answer? When the sun and rain said goodbye, a beautiful rainbow appeared in the sky. So third answer is what? When the sun and rain said goodbye, a beautiful rainbow appeared in the sky. Appeared in the sky means what? त्यांना एक छानसा rainbow आकाशात दिसला. Appeared in the sky. What appeared in the sky? Beautiful rainbow appeared in the sky. Next, now question number 2 is, write other words related to. Now there are one question is there, we have to write other words which are related to weather and sky. Now which words are related to weather and sky? Can anyone tell? Just a minute. For weather and sky, write other words related to climate. Climate will come relate. It will be relating with weather. And what will be the word related to sky? Clouds. Correct. So question number 2. First answer you can write down climate. Climate is little related to what? Weather. And clouds is little related to sky. Understood? Or you can write down more what stars are related to sky. Then moon is related to sky. What is related to weather? Climate is related to weather. Wind is related to weather. Rain is related to weather. Are you understanding or not? In this way, you can write down what is related to weather. Question number 3 now. Copy the names of the color of the rainbow given below. Now it is very simple. You have to write down all 7 names of colors. Violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. You have to just copy it. Okay, that work you can do. I am not going to do it on the board. Okay. Now next question number, turn your pages and here it is told that write the rhyming pairs of words from the poem. Now some rhyming words we have to write down from the poem. Now which words are rhyming words in the poem? Hide and seek. You will able to do that? Take out your English book, textbook, and write down rhyming words. For example, rain, 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 grain, or then sky, buy. Correct? One we will write down. I'll give you one. Sky, buy, or sky, goodbye. Okay, these are some rhyming words. After that is question number 4. Rhyming words you write down from book. Okay, I don't have textbook. I would have seen in textbook and given you. As I don't have a book now, you have to remove your English Balbharti book, and from that book you can write down rhyming words. Now next question is question number 5. Pick out and write down the words from below that rhyme with sun. Now what is the word which is related to sun? The word which is related to sun is fun. Question number 5. First, sun, F-U-N, fun. Second, rain, R-A-I-N, rain. Which word will gain? Rain, gain. Okay. Third, each, E-A-C-H, each. Rich, R-E-A-C-H, rich. Fourth one, S-A-Y, say. Which word will suit? D-A-Y, day. Fifth question. Is it visible? You can see. Sun, fun, rain, gain, each, rich, say, day. Last, L-A-S-T, last, F-A-S-T, fast. L-A-S-T, last, F-A-S-T, fast. Sixth answer, H-I-D-E, hide. Which word will suit it? R-I-D-E, ride. Have you understood? This is our 5th question. Please complete it in your English verbo. Question number 6 is fill in the squares with the missing letters. The clues are given. Now one of the color of the rainbow. Here it is given. V is given. So first color of rainbow was what? Violet. So what will be first our answer? Question number 6. First one, violet. Okay. Second, we see this in the sky before it rains. Before it rains, what we see in the sky? We see clouds. What we see? We see clouds in the sky. C-L-O-U-D-S. Clouds means what in Marathi? Dhag. We feel hot or cold as this changes. It changes, keep on changing. Climate is not changing, but what changes? Weather changes. So what is our third answer? Our third answer is weather. Fourth one. Children love to play in this. Children love to play in what? Children love to play in rain. R-A-I-N, rain. In this way, we have completed question number 6. Now, open-ended question is there. How do you play hide and seek? Tell it in the short. You can write down on your own, okay? If you want to write, write. Otherwise, leave it as it is. Name any 5 games you play and enjoy. You can write down football. You can write down football, cricket, basketball, then baseball. More what you play? Which games do you play more? Kabaddi, Kho-Kho. You can write down as many as names of games which you play. Where you are going to write down? You have to write down in open-ended questions. Where you have to write? You have to write those answers in open-ended questions. These 2 questions you have to write. तुमच्या स्वतःच्या मनाने लिहायचे आहेत. हाऊ डू यू प्ले हाईड अँड सीक? तुम्ही कशी खेळतात हाईड अँड सीक ते तुम्ही तुमच्या मनाने लिहू शकतात. हॅव यू अंडरस्टूड? वी हॅव कम्प्लीटेड फर्स्ट पोयम question answers writing in the workbook. Okay, some rhyming words. So write down at least 2 rhyming words in your workbook. Okay, and here it is told that draw a picture of rainbow. What it is given? Draw a picture of rainbow. इथे काय करायचं? रेनबोचं पिक्चर काढायचं आणि त्याला कलर करायचं आहे. तुम्ही कळालं? What you have to do? You have to draw picture of rainbow, and that rainbow you have to color with 7 colors. Which are 7 colors? Violet, correct? Violet, indigo, blue, green, orange, red, and which one color is left? Yellow. Vibgyor. V-I-B-G-Y-O-R. Violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. It is called what? Vibgyor. What it is called? It is known as Vibgyor. You have to give all 7 colors to the rainbow in your English workbook, and please send photos of your English workbook page number 5, 6 and 7 on WhatsApp group. Okay, thank you.